In front of me is Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Then scroll down again. Tap on Device Unlock and choose Screen Lock over here. Now it's time to tap on one of those login methods, pattern, PIN or password. Create it. And if you made a mistake, select Clear at the bottom left corner to redo it. To continue, choose Next at the bottom right one. Then repeat it and hit Confirm. Now it's time to answer this question to manage lock screen notifications. And hit Done. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!